Hello again, Nadine here, and today I'm going to be making an Easter card using all of these dies from Poppystamps. I'm going to be using the Doodle Happy Easter sentiment and this cute little layered lamb. Also, there is an opportunity to win this lamb if you would like. Just follow the link to the blog down below in the description, and also I'll have the link to all of the products that I'm using down there as well. So this is the layered lamb that you have a chance to win. The folk decorated eggs, tall sketch daisies, and also stitched cloudline. So the first one I'm going to work with is the layered lamb, and it is 3 dies which are all attached, but I cut them apart. And then I already cut my pieces out in black and white, so grab all my pieces over here. Okay, so for the body, the first thing I'm going to do is take some VersaMagic and Midnight Black, and I'm just going to go around the outside just slightly. And I'm also going to do it to the little puff that goes onto his head too. I guess that's what you call it, a little puff of cotton that goes up there. So now I'm going to take some Radiant Neon Amplify. This is in white, and this stuff is really cool if you've never used it before. What I'm going to do is just kind of pounce it around, making little dots everywhere on the entire surface. And then I'm just going to grab the edge of it with a pair of tweezers so you can see how it is on there. And then taking a heat tool, let me show you what this Amplify does. So there you go, you can see how it puffs up, sort of like popcorn. It gives a perfect look for a lamb. It's pretty cool, and it's completely dry to the touch. So I'm going to repeat and do that same thing on this little piece. Now that I have that, I'm just going to assemble my lamb. For the ears, I'm just going to color in with a Copic marker. You can use any type of marker for it. And there we go. There's my little lamb. So the stitched cloudline, I cut out 3 different layers, and I'm going to take the VersaMagic and Turquoise Gem and just go over the edge of these. So with the sentiment, the Doodle Happy Easter sentiment, and with the tall sketch daisies, I cut out 3 layers of each one, and I am going to adhere each layer together so I have more of a dimension with each one. Okay, I've now assembled the card, and I added the eggs down here, the folk decorative eggs, and then on top of those eggs I did some irRESISTible Pico Embellisher. This is, oops, that was the wrong color, in the Shimmer. That's what I did on top of the eggs, and I also did it on top of the sentiment and the top of the flowers, as you can see. And I love how that lamb looks on there, the dimension that it has. And then for the clouds, what I'm doing is taking the Nuvo, this is a glitter gloss Aqua shimmer pen, and I just took a little bit of the VersaMagic, put it onto my craft mat, and then just squeezed some of this into it, like that, and then just bringing the color out a little bit on each layer. There we go. See how the clouds look? And then my card is completed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and like as well. See you next time. Bye-bye.